AI, machine learning, deep learning. People use these words frequently, but they are not the same. And today I'll explain the difference in the simplest possible way. Hi, I am Avinash. If you are confused about AI, ML, and deep learning, this video will clear it completely. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is a big umbrella. So AI equals to what we can say machines doing tasks that needs human intelligence, decision makings, problem solving, automations. For example, Google search, navigation applications, spam filter. AI is about making machines act intelligently, not about learning yet. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI. We can explain in this way like machine learns from data, improves with experience. It would need no hard coded rules. For example, email spam detection, recommendations, fraud detections. Machine learning learns pattern from data instead of following fixed rules. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. For example, face recognition, speech recognition, ChatGPT. Deep learning works best when the data is large and complex. Think of it like this: AI is the goal, machine learning is one way to achieve that goal, deep learning is a powerful technique inside machine learning. Here is the truth most people won't tell you. You don't need to learn everything. Most people need AI concept plus ML uses. Only some need deep learning. You don't need to build AI from scratch to use AI effectively. Now you can clearly understand, differentiate between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Which term confused you most before this video? Subscribe if you want to learn AI step by step without any confusion. Thank you.